Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox and review earbuds. And friends, before we start the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, here is the super popular our eardopes 131 of bot. And here they are also supposed to be really good because they are cheap. And now let's find out if they are worth your money. And first, the box, it's look nice and colorful inside. We find the main thing, the earbuds in their charging case. So here I just unbox. It's really difficult to unbox because it's packed tightly. And here I have get my earbuds, and here it's you can easily put in your pocket because this is a small light the case of the earbuds. Here when I just turn on, I just open the earbuds, the light you will be turned on. And the earbuds themselves have a steam and they are very light. This means they are comfortable even if you wear them for a long time. And a big sound, they have the big one, big 13 speakers delivers. This means the sound is loud and the bass is strong, the thumb feeling. And about the battery, the earbuds last about 3 hours, and the case can charge them many times, giving you many hours of music in total. And if you look under the box again, then here you can see the manual guides, and here the QR code of this product. Whatever it says comes with 1 year manufacturer warranty. Scan QR code to follow the how to pair your earbuds. Okay, and here's the stickers that you will get. Stickers here, there's many stickers you will get under this box. And let's keep this on the side. And here you can see this is the manual guides. If you don't know how to pair, then you can check it out on this manual guides. Okay, here's the guidelines, you can follow it. And now let's open this mini box. What's there? So let's open this box. This is covered with white box. I think in under there will be here it is. This is the type C charging cable, so that's great. Type C is fast and easy here. And even they have a special thing called IWP, insta wake and pair. This wakes connecting them super fast. So now let's connect our earbuds. I'll show you how to pair these earbuds right now. First of all, you will need your mobile phone. So let's turn on the mobile phone. Friends, first and foremost, you have to move on Play Store and search for the wearables. Okay, here I just increased the brightness for you guys, and here you can tap on search bar, then you can search for the bot and search for it. Then here is the bot wearables. There's many options for the watch or for fits, and here but we will select the bot wearables on the screen. Okay, the first one. After that, here you just need to click on download. First of all, I would like to show you some little images so that you will know which one to download and which not to download. So here I'm just downloading the bot variables. I zoom it for you guys so that you will know which app to download. And here I just lower the brightness, and now it's installing bot variables. Now you can open it. Here it is, just click on open, and on the down you will see you have to allow. Then here you can see open on the down, and you have to click on the open. Next friends, here you can see you have to click on this. Then you can sign in up with Google or with your email. So I will click on this Google. And if you want to select, then you can select email also. If you want to select, there is two options, but I select on the Google. And next here guys, you can see it's loading. Then after that you have to click on I agree. It's privacy policy, so you have to click on I agree. Okay guys, after I click on here, it says turn on Bluetooth. You have to click on allow. Next here allow again. Then from here you have to turn on the Bluetooth. Now click on turn on and click on allow. Okay guys, So after allowing it's searching for your eardrops, then here you have to turn on your eardrops. After that, next, if it shows the eardrops name, then you can select it the name. I just put it back the eardrops so that it will not face any problem while searching, scanning, you can say. So I will like just click on the refresh so that it can scan easily. I just click on refresh. After that, here it says which one is your earbuds. Okay, from here you can see I have ordered the eardrops 131. So now I have to select this eardrops 131. Click on just click on the connect, and here it says Bluetooth pairing request. So click on pair. Then next here our eardrops will be connected successfully. Next here you just need to click on which apps do you ordered from. You have to confirm. Suppose I have ordered from Flipkart, then I have to select the Flipkart. If you order from Amazon, then you can select from Amazon. There's many options. Okay, so click on Flipkart. Then here diagnosis my device. If you want to diagnose, and there is many options. You can control the volume up and down buttons. I increase and decrease it. Then here is the systems. From system you can play from right or left, or here it says you can even play the board. Okay guys, and here let's check it out. I'm just going to insert this. When I close it and it says disconnect. So here let's try it out. I have inserted on my ear, and now reconnecting because it has been disconnected. So from here now let's even try to tap. I just select the play button, and now let's play the music. So friends, here I have connected my earbuds and listening some music, and you may be heard or not. I will make sure that you can hear this earbuds by increasing the volume. The sound I feel great and it's lovely. I can hearable till the outside. If let's put it the earbuds on my mic. So friends, this is the sound of eardrops 131, and this is the taste of the sound. And if you like music with a heavy beat and strong bass, then you will love this. They are great for the gym and everyday listening. And about the calling, they work for calls. If you are in a quiet room, the call is clear, and if you are next to loud traffic, the person might hear the cars more than you, as you can hear out with me in the background. So you can use them in quiet places for calls. So you should buy the both eardrops 131 or not, then yes you should. If you need something cheap, you want strong bass and you like things that connect very fast, and I will say no if you need perfect call quality in noisy places. And for the price, these are amazing earbuds. I highly recommended them. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.